òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run alààyè ẹni tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ bàbá Adébóyè wọ́n ti sọ̀rọ̀ sókè o. Wọ́n jáde lọ́jọ́ tàná tí wọ́n sì fèsì sí ọ̀rọ̀ tí ọmọkùnrin kan èyí tó bóde tí ń sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàkàṣàkà sí wọn látàrí àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ kan èyí tí bàbá sọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbàgbé o, bẹ́ẹ̀ bá rántí dáadáa, ẹni bàbá ń sọ fún gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ìjọ wọn pé ẹ lọ sínú àwẹ̀ àtàdúà ọgọ́rùn kan láti lọ rèé fi bá Ọlọ́run làjà lórí orílẹ̀-èdè wa Nàìjíríà. Àmọ́ ọmọdékùnrin yìí tí gbogbo èèyàn mọ̀ sí kíngì olóbòde tó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ̀rọ̀ ṣàkàṣàkà sí ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run alààyè. Ọmọdékùnrin yìí ò tiẹ̀ wò pé ìránṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run alààyè ni bàbá yìí àti pé bíi ọmọ lòun jẹ́ sí bàbá yìí. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní sọ àwọn ọkọ̀ bákùn gbé ọ̀rọ̀. Ẹ wo ẹ̀yin èèyàn mi, ẹ wá gbọ́n tọmọdékùnrin yìí sọ, kẹ́ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé wò síra wọn bó bá jẹ́ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí. Àmọ́ o, nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí, ọ̀rọ̀ ti le gan o, torí ìkan nínú àwọn ọmọ bàbá tó jẹ́ ara àwọn ọmọ ìjọ bàbá ó ti dìde o, tó sì ti fi gbòòrò òfin, ó ti fi gbé ọmọdékùnrin yìí. Àmọ́ àwọn èèyàn wá jáde bọ́ńbọ́, kódà agbẹjọ́rò gbajúgbajà ní ajìjàgbara fún gbogbo èèyàn, òun náà jáde sọ̀rọ̀, ó sọ̀rọ̀ sókè. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni VDM, òun náà Very Dark Man, òun náà bóde tó náà sì sọ̀rọ̀. Àmọ́ o, lẹ́yìn ìgbà tọmọdékùnrin yìí sọ̀rọ̀ tán tí gbogbo awuyewuye tó ń lọ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára, kí ni tí bàbá náà wá padà sọ lọ́jọ́ tàná o. Ẹ wò ó, ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé pọ́nrán wọlé kájọ jẹ mùkúntùn rẹ̀ kẹ́ ẹ wá fetí gbọ́ kí ni tí ń ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin ọmọdékùnrin wọ̀nyí pẹ̀lú bàbá Adébóyè.
Pastor Adeboye, useless boy. The other day I tell you say shame dey knock on your door, you say I dey joke. Shey the shame never dey knock on your door like this. I tell you, I warn you, you no hear o. During Jonathan, when Jonathan dey wey the economy better pass this one like mad, you come outside though with that your play card, if they see your picture, you come outside come dey protest. Now wey una don bring down una corruption enter, you don bring down your jagaban enter, now you dey tell us say we need prayer for restoration. You say make we dey thank God say dollar no enter 10k. You see say you be jobless and a useless person. Na evil person una be for this life. I don tell una say una go receive am one after the other. This time I no need to dey shout again. I don shout pass. Now make I just dey here dey enjoy as una dey collect am. You no understand? You ní sùn Adébóyè àbíkílọ̀ porúkọ ẹ̀, I'm outside, let's party.
Ọ̀rọ̀ yìí mọ̀ kọjá bá a ti lérò. Kódà àbẹ́ẹ̀rí ni sẹ́yìn náà ti gbọ́ bọ́mọdékùnrin sí kèǹgèyé bó ṣe ń bu ẹnu àtẹ́ lu òjíṣẹ́ Ọlọ́run alààyè, kódà ó ti kọjá bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe rò ó. Èyí ló mú kí ìkan nínú àwọn ọmọ bàbá tó jẹ́ adarí kan nínú ìjọ Ọlọ́run alààyè ti Redeemed Christian Church of God láti lọ gbé ìgbésẹ̀ alágbára nì tó lọ fi gbòòrò òfin tó lọ rèé fi gbé ọmọdékùnrin yìí tó sì fà lé àwọn agbófinró lọ́wọ́. Èyí wá làwọn èèyàn ń jẹ lẹ́nu wípé ṣé ilé ẹjọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ ọlọ́pàá wá lélẹ́yìí ni àbí ilé ẹjọ́ kọ́ ló yẹ kó bá wọn dá sí ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ bá gbàgbé ọmọdékùnrin yìí kan náà, òun náà ló ti kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀ sọ́gá ọlọ́pàá nígbà kan rí. Àmọ́ o, nínú àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ tó wà ńlẹ̀ yìí, sọmọdékùnrin yìí ò ti wá wọ gàù báyìí. Ọgbẹnu tó ń lékè nkà ọkọ̀ ọjà kàásì nǹkan ó kà mọ̀mọ̀. Ẹja gbọ́ kínní ọ̀hún kẹ́ ẹ lè bá sí kínní kẹ́ ẹ lè bá rí ohun tí mò ń sọ gan bóyá bẹ́ẹ̀ náà lórí àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ náà kọ́. Ta ní ọ̀gbọ́n ọmọdékùnrin yìí lẹ̀ báyìí o, toró ti débi tí ó ti dọ́kọ délé dánimọ́ báyìí. Ó ti fi gọ̀gọ̀ rédà lórí ìkọ́, ó ti wá rébà lẹ́yìn ẹsẹ̀ báyìí. Ta wá lẹni tí ọ̀gbọ́n ọmọdékùnrin yìí lẹ̀ báyìí o, torí fúnra ọlọ́kùnrùn ní fẹnu ara rẹ̀ pé kú. Kọ́lọ̀ wọn bá mi kọ́ máa sọ wa ni o, kọ́ máa jà fẹsẹ̀ lẹ̀ fẹnu kọ o. Ẹ wò ó, ẹja gbọ́ kínní ọ̀hún kẹjá gbọ́n táwọn èèyàn náà sọ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Àti tí bàbá gangan sọ fúnra wọn, torí bàbá sọ̀rọ̀ sókè lánàá o pé àwọn ò tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan kan ń pa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí pé wọ́n lọ rèé kọ petition against ọmọ yìí pé bóyá ó ń bú àwọn, ó ń cyberbully àwọn, ó ń láìbẹ̀lì, ó ń borúkọ àwọn jẹ́, àwọn ò tiẹ̀ mọ nǹkan kan. Àmọ́ ẹ jágbọ́n tí bàbá gẹ́gẹ́ sọ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ yìí gan-an. Mò ń bọ̀. Ìkànnì Àròyé TV náà lẹ́wà tẹ̀ ń fetí kó. Ẹ má bá ń subscribe kẹ́ ẹ sì máa like ẹ̀ bó ṣe ń lọ kẹ́ ẹ tó lè máa ráwọn ọ̀kan ọ̀jọ̀kan àwọn ètò tá a bá ti mú wá ṣé tí ìgbọ́yín náà ni o. Ẹ ṣeun o, ẹ kú àsìkò yìí, mo rí yín náà o.
I heard that there was someone who lambasted me thoroughly because what's my offense? Because I asked my people to fast for 100 days. I didn't ask him. I didn't even ask anybody who is not a member of the Redeemed Christian Church of God to fast. Only my children. Only my children. God said that it will happen. I was told that some people got so angry and they went and arrested the fellow. Release him. He's fulfilling prophecy.
Ẹ rí nǹkan báyìí ẹ̀yin aráalé. Bàbá ti sọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ látẹnu bàbá òun. Abẹ́ẹ̀rí ni àmọ́ Dèjì Adéyanjú ajìjàgbara nì tó jẹ́ agbẹjọ́rò òun náà sọ̀rọ̀ ó ní àìníṣẹ́ àwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n fi ń dá sí ọ̀rọ̀ cyberbullying pé kò sí ń tọ́kan àwọn ọlọ́pàá nínú ọ̀rọ̀ cyberbullying èèyàn ń bó oko èèyàn jẹ́ wọ́n ń láìbẹ̀lì ó kọ kò sí ń tọ́kan wọ́n wá sọ pé ẹni tó mú ọ̀rọ̀ náà lọ bá wọn ọlọ́pàá James Adamu ẹni tó mú ọ̀rọ̀ náà lọ báwọn ọlọ́pàá ó lóun náà ò ní ráìtì kankan kódà gan pé gbogbo wọn àtòun àtàwọn ọlọ́pàá ni wọ́n jọ fojú winá òfin o torí pé kò lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ rárá wọn ò láṣẹ láti sọ pé àwọn fẹ́ mú ọmọdékùnrin yìí sátìmọ́lé torí pé ọ̀rọ̀ cyberbullying ní ilé-ẹjọ́ ń ló sì yẹ kí wọ́n gbé ọ̀rọ̀ náà lọ. Pàápàá jùlọ èwo ní Gbàrànmídẹlẹ́rù ẹni tí wọ́n kú cyberbullying ó kọ rẹ̀. Bàbá Adeboye wọn ò sọ̀rọ̀ wọn ò sì wo wọn ò jà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni wọn ò bínú wọn ò sọ nǹkan kan ìwo wá tún ní tẹ̀yìn Gbàrànmídẹlẹ́rù tẹ́ gbé orí ó lékè nkà tó gbẹnu tán o. Very Dark Man òun náà tún sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ yìí o. Kí ni Very Dark Man náà sọ? Ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé kinní ọ̀hún wọlé ẹ̀yin aráalé ọ̀rọ̀ pọ̀ nínú ìwé kọ́bọ̀ o. Ẹ máa mọ ẹ já máa fọkàn bá kinní ọ̀hún lọ. Ẹ ṣeun o tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa tẹ́ ẹ sì ń wò wá. Ẹ wo ọ̀rọ̀ ń pọ̀ ń bẹ o. Ẹ wò ẹ jẹ́ ń gbé.
All right, so it was earlier reported that the TikToker seeking was arrested for insulting the Inspector General of Police. Then later yesterday, it was now reported again that he was arrested for cyberbullying Papa Adeboye, the General Overseer of his Redeemed Christian Church of God. Now, I see a lot of people commenting that pastor don't they arrest person for defamation. Why pastor would they say that they cyberbully and why can't he forgive? Now, while we are saying that, I'm totally against pastors arresting or even police. Maybe they arrest anybody for defamation. If you get problem, go court. But then again, we no go follow that bandwagon where we go see something very bad, we will close our eye. You understand? Forget say all of us dey into this thing, but at the end of the day, when something dey wrong, you talk am. Because it might be your turn tomorrow. Now let's listen to what this boy said about Adeboye.
Pastor Adeboye, useless boy. The other day I tell you say shame dey knock on your door. It is say I dey joke. Shey the shame never dey knock on your door like this. I tell you, I warn you, you know hear.
Now you heard him. How can you call somebody like Pastor E.A. Adeboye? First of all, let's start with age. How can you call him a useless boy? That's somebody that can be your grandfather. That's somebody that can be your grandfather. Useless boy? Useless boy? No now. No now. No now. I heard there's somebody that wrote the petition on behalf of Pastor Adeboye. No matter what you want to talk, this is rubbish. This is rubbish. No matter what you want to talk. Useless boy. For someone like Pastor Adeboye, even if you don't follow the normal level, Oyedepo whether they respect in the paying tithe give Adeboye. You can come online, you can bring your analysis, you understand? You can say one or two things that you notice about them churches. Yes, fine and good. But this kind of direct insult to call somebody like Adeboye a useless boy is crazy. Nobody will take that. Nobody will take that. If Adeboye na my father, if I go find you, I go sansand you, Zaka chukutuma boro banka mazamu suburbudeka about lie. Leave that talk where they talk. Yes. No matter how, you get some kind of things where you no go talk. Get some kind of things where you no go talk. Who won't hear this one now? Man say I come online, call the talk say he talk say I call here, call the staff for the boiler they talk. My baba self go call me, cost me. Adeboye, whether you say fake, let's assume that it's a fake pastor. Let's even assume that Adeboye is a fake pastor. But calling him a useless boy, somebody of that age is crazy, bro. I don't care the level. I don't want to know the kind of activism where they do. I see different people, they buy free seeking. Yes, they should free him. Yes, I'm of the opinion that they should free him as well. Even the person who filed this case against the boy, say on behalf of Pastor Adeboye, please take him to court. This one I go use police till they abuse people. When I go use police till they oppress people. I am not for it at all. I am not for it at all. But again, if the boy comments, if at the end of the day it comes out, Mona sister on the truth, Mona tell him. You cannot call Adeboye a useless boy. You can call very dark man a useless boy. You can call some people from some certain age a useless boy. Carry the age come down, maybe okay 40 reach down, or maybe 45, or even 50. Let's don't go 60, don't enter 70, don't they go 80, 90s, useless boy. Now for police, we don't leave this one. So as now they do free seeking, when I see they tell them. Now as for the police and as for the lawyer, Nigerian Bar Association. You people have a fight to fight against the police, but you don't know. These people don't collect work for hand. How? You see these cases of defamation, these are small cases that should go to court. And all these are our small lawyers where they call to bar. Now they're supposed to use that case till they fight for court. Maybe they use them even practice law. But no, police collect this defamation. Okay, defame me, they'll rush go pick you. They no carry and go court. Lawyers will finish now. They call them to bar now. They'll come go they sell bed sheets. Some of them, they'll call them barrister. They don't go ever work for law firm. They don't go ever get case till they marry. This barrister, till they do wedding. They don't turn housewife. The law where you go study, nothing. All these defamation cases, they're supposed to carry and they give them, maybe they use and practice which they study for school. Suppose carry and they give them, hey, defame me, police carry you. They defame me, police carry you. Nothing I hate reach that thing. If you feel say, okay, yes, see the top pay, man, I go court. Man, I go court. Even this Christmas matter now. Even as that. But you wanna know what made them go court. Because that one are rubbish. They'll go carry down and go through it for prison. You want one evidence. So I need to go quick now. Make I go look for way beg. Yes, now beg if you beg for that one. You not get power. You know, number one, that one, this man I not fit get lawyer. No lawyer go work for am pro bono. So as they not they reach the court and pew to prison. So now beg. Now Amalia they use opportunity to tell you say me leave the boy. Forgive him. I'll call you for phone. My guy. I'll call you. You the boy. Everybody don't see say na nonsense boy be. Leave him. Now only son for him mama. Mama don't cry, tire, beg. Go leave him. But please, while we are talking about oppression, using police to oppress and harass, I beg, this defamation thing, and the person will be the victim, I be the person where they talk, they careful. There are some lines you should not cross. Peace and love, don't play. Else you go and learn, and you will learn the hard way when they lock you up.
ẹ̀yin tèmi ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbọ́ yìí ò kí lẹ rí sọ sí tó wà ńlẹ̀ báyìí ọ̀bẹ ti gé ọmọ lọ́wọ́ ọmọ sọ̀bẹ nù ẹ dákun sọ́bì ò ti ṣe ń tọ́ fẹ́ ṣe ni tó fún ìfarabalẹ̀ yín bẹ́ẹ̀ tí ń bá wa wò ó tẹ̀sí ń bá wa pín káàkiri mò ń fàkókò yìí sọ fún gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ ṣe ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa wípé ẹ láìkì ẹ ṣíà rẹ̀ ẹ kọ́mẹ̀ǹtì kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ subscribe ìkànnì Àròyé TV náà rèé ibi tẹ́ ti máa rí àwọn ọ̀kan òjọ̀kan àwọn ètò àwọn ọ̀kan òjọ̀kan àwọn ìròyìn àwọn ọ̀kan òjọ̀kan àwọn ètò ní yàjóyàjó tí ọmọ wa sétí gbọ́yìn ẹ ṣeun tẹ́ ń gbọ́ wa ẹ kú ìkàlẹ̀ mórí yín náà o.